Hello students, good morning. We are learning your topic number 2 from your science and technology book. That one is nothing but work and energy. This topic is divided into two parts. That one is nothing but the first one is the work and another one is the energy. And this topic is dealing with totally work and energy. See, in previous video lecture we have seen the concept of work, or just we have seen the introduction of work. What is work in scientific language? In daily routine we are said when work is done when there is a involvement of physical and mental activities. Due to that work is done, we said work is done. But in case of scientific language, when there is a said to be work is done when, because of applying force, when we applied some kind of a force, due to that force the displacement of an object takes place. There is also work is done in a scientific language. That therefore the work is nothing but force into displacement. Because of applied force the displacement of an object takes place. In such a case there said to be work is done. See, after that in your book there is a one activity. What is activity? Activity is nothing but, can you recall what is activity? What are the different types of see, first of all what is mean by force, and after that you have activity. Write down the different types of forces and the units for an example of various forces. Okay, first of all we are going to learn what is mean by force, because work is nothing but the force into displacement. All of you know that what is mean by displacement. You have already learned in a previous topic. That one is nothing but laws of motion. The concept of displacement you have already seen in that topic. See, then what is mean by force? Force is nothing but it is a energy to required. See, the push or pull on the object is known as force. See, any pushing or any pulling is nothing but the force. See, the concept of force is also you have seen in a previous lecture. That one is nothing but the law of motion, previous topic, in which section the second law of Newton's second law of motion. You have learned the concept of force. Then tell me, what is the unit for force? There are mainly two units of force. First one is the SI unit and second one is the CGS unit. Force having two units. The SI unit of force is nothing but is a Newton. And what is the CGS unit for force? The CGS unit for force is a dyne. And this concept you have already seen in a previous topic. See, here are some types of forces I have written here, and one by one we are going to discuss of that types of force. See, first type of force, contact forces. See, what is mean by contact force? Here is the definition: the force which acts due to contact between two bodies. See, contact force created due to contact of two bodies. That force is nothing but the contact force. For example, muscular force. For example, pushing. For example, pushing. For example, pulling. These all are the examples of contact forces. So, what is the contact force? Contact force is nothing but the force exerted due to, or the force created due to contact between two bodies. Here is the very important word. That one is nothing but the contact. Okay, such type of forces are known as contact force. Example of that contact force is muscular forces. Any pushing, any pulling, that one is nothing but the contact force. See, throwing a ball or playing with the ball, it is an example of contact force. See, the second type of force is nothing but the opposite to contact force is nothing but non-contact force. See, what is the definition of this non-contact force? The force which acts without contact between two bodies, opposite to contact. Okay, the force is created or which is exerted, the force which is created due to without contact of two bodies. What are the example of such type of forces? Such type of forces are known as contact forces. For example, magnetic forces. You have seen the magnet, okay, and you have iron nails, okay. In a dish you have put iron nails and you sliding a magnet on that iron nails. What happen here? The magnet and iron nail get attached, okay. Contact between these two bodies without happen, okay. Without contact of two bodies, the force is exerted. Such type of forces are known as non-contact forces. What are the examples? See, example is gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, all of you know that, all of you playing a game. See, you have a rural and you have friction, created friction, and that one is nothing but the known as electrostatic force. Such type of forces are known as non-contact forces. The force created due to without contact of two bodies. Number third is the magnetic force. See, the definition of magnetic force is force between the two magnets is known as magnetic force, okay. Very easy. What is magnetic force? The forces between two magnets known as magnetic force, or the another definition of magnetic force is here force between the magnet and magnetic material. I have just told you the force between magnet and magnetic material. Magnet having two poles, south pole and north pole, okay, and magnetic material that are nothing but the iron nails. When you circulating the magnet on that iron nail, the magnet get attached to the magnetic material, that one is nothing but the iron nails get attached to the magnet. Such type of force is known as magnetic force. The force between magnet and magnetic material, okay, or any kind of magnetic substance, magnetic object, that one is nothing but the force is magnetic force. Number fourth, electrostatic force. Electrostatic, the force between two electric charges called as electrostatic force. See, for example, I have written here the force between two electric charges. What are the type of electric charges? See, positive charges and negative charges. Why I write here positive and negative charges? Because there is a positive repulsion, positive negative attraction, and if the attraction takes place, there is a creation of or exertion of force takes place. Therefore, the force which are nothing but the force between two electric charges. Two electric charges created a force. Such type of forces are known as electrostatic forces. What are two charges? Which are the two charges? Positive charge and negative charge. See, here is the another example or another type of gravitational another type of force. That one is nothing but the gravitational force. See, gravitational force is nothing but the force between two objects due to their masses known as gravitational force. See, all of you know that. What is mean by gravitational force? The force between two objects due to their masses. If I consider object A and if I consider object B, object A having mass 1 and object B having mass 2, all of you seen this activity in a previous topic. Okay, and the force of attraction between these two objects is known as gravitational force. Or for example, you can consider an apple and the apple is down in the direction of earth. Okay, these two have the force. That one is nothing but two objects. Earth is one object, apple is another object. The forces between these two objects due to their various masses, the mass of earth is different and the mass of apple is different. Between the force between apple and earth is known as gravitational force. See, there are also number of types of forces. For example, balanced force you have seen in a laws of motion. All of you know that. What is mean by balanced force? If applied force is a same on a both sides, such kind of forces are known as balanced force. Another one is the unbalanced force. If the applied forces are unequal from both sides, such type of forces are known as unbalanced force. See, what are the next type? Such various types of forces. Okay. So in this video we have learned the concept of force and various types of force. We will stop here. Remaining part we will see in the next lecture.